We've been really busy at the Retrofit Source, working quietly behind the scenes to get new products loaded up on the website. It's been a while since we've done our last product update, so without any further ado, let's get started. Morimoto has released dozens of new XB headlight assemblies, including the Nissan Frontier XB hybrids, which have an incandescent turn signal and a badass DRL. We also released the Nissan Titan headlight, which has got a badass looking quad projector setup and a sequential turn signal. The perfect look for those trucks. Morimoto has also released their first off-road pod, the 4Banger. The 4Banger has two different options available depending on which level of brightness you're looking for. We got the NCS, which is our entry-level model, and then they have the HXB, which is the full-blown Cat Daddy, brightest one on the market. Those are available with wide optic, combo, and spot for a perfect off-road pod. Those are all new from Morimoto. GTR Lighting is also making a splash with their new Carbide series headlight assemblies. They feature sequential turn signals, startup sequences, and all the goodies you'd expect from a high-end manufacturer like GTR Lighting. They've released their C6 headlight, which is perfect for you C6 owners who are envious of the new C8s out on the road. GTR Lighting has also released assemblies for the Toyota Tacoma and for the Ford Ranger. Those assemblies feature sequential turn signals, startup sequences, and LED high and low beams, which are perfect for your Tacoma or Ranger. Keep an eye on GTR Lighting. That Carbide series is doing some big things. Something new for you classic car owners out there, Holley has partnered with Morimoto Lighting to come out with the new Retrobrights, which feature a classic styled assembly while providing modern output. Those are available in 7-inch, 5 3/4, 4x6, and 5x7. The Holley Retrobrights are available in classic white, which is going to give you that period correct halogen look, modern white, which is 5700K, looks very new and fresh, and they're available in yellow, which is going to give you that nice European conversion racing look. The Retrofit Source is reining in the new year by adding all these new products from Morimoto, GTR Lighting, and Holley to TheRetrofitSource.com. If you're looking for lighting upgrades for your vehicle, head on over to TheRetrofitSource.com and pick up some lighting upgrades for your vehicle today.